Hey everyone, for Market Minutes today, we're going to talk about PLTR because they had their earnings today. I myself, I can't say that I'm super interested in Palantir. Um, I think that the boat has left. That ship has sailed. But I think its earnings still are significant for software sales stock for SaaS stocks, defense stocks, and kind of for the economy too. So, what I think is interesting is they had their earnings. It was obviously received well. I listened to part of the earnings call. They did great, whatnot. It's interesting because their valuation, their multiples are still extremely high. That doesn't mean that I'm bearish on it. I'm not. I'm not bullish or bearish. I just am just watching it, seeing kind of how it affects the market. And I think that this shows some strength in the AI play. Um, Despite a lot of people really there, look at all these. There's just a lot of people kind of entering kind of a bearish moment in the market. Um, I had so many videos and so many people saying yesterday that today was going to be the worst day in the market. It was going to be terrible. Everything was going to fall apart. And here we are on a largely flat day. Let me see what SPY did today. I mean, yeah. So, I mean, it's pretty good. What are these people saying? They think that this is before the earnings. They think that valuation derating. They're going to talk about the multiples, of course, um, and talking about COVID. So I don't know. I don't. Just a lot of bears. Yeah, who was? Just a lot of people on X all day yesterday saying that today was going to be terrible, and here we are. Market seemed fine to me, and PLTR had a great earnings. So I don't know. I think that's kind of interesting. I'm sure there will be a whole flurry of upgrades here. What are its multiples? The PE ratio of the LTR. Okay, so very high. Um, uh, Very high, but not. That doesn't mean that it's going to go down. It's just the market values it extremely high. Um, could PLTR um, expand outside of the U.S.? They did mention that in earnings, but expanding companies are target global commercial technologies. Okay, yeah. So, um, biggest takeaways from PLTR earnings and the AI industry today. That's wild growth. Uh, yeah. Huh. I wanted to look at what's that bearish? What's this one? Yeah, I was I had all these people saying they were going all into this today, and not that you can't make money on it. It was just so funny how you know unless you're an insider, I don't think that of certain stocks, I don't think that anyone really knows what the market's going to do. Because I heard, and maybe it crashes tomorrow, we'll see. But I just thought that was kind of interesting. People thought that it would moon. So, all right, there you go for market minutes today.